guys, you saw the last video. Me and my sister, our video went crazy, guys. In 7 days, it's just got 47 views, guys. I think my sister has a taste in my videos. So say hello to the vlog.
Hey everyone.
And my cameraman Austin Martin, guys. You've been talking about him, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Let's go. So guys, here we got different spices, guys. So cameraman, can you please come closer to show them the tour of the spices? So guys, here we got the spice for rice. Spice for rice. The spice for rice. Okay. This is here we got thyme, and here we got rosemary and garlic, and here we got the cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon, whatever. Mixed spice, and here we got mixed herbs, and here we got oregano, and here we got the whole class. And guys, this one you can see it, but guys, it's spicy for sure. And say the last one.
Nutmeg.
Let's go, guys. So guys, on this video, guys, we're gonna be doing challenge. So the loser. So guys, you're going to be like, guys, like me and my sister. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, we're gonna be splitting the spice. So guys, but we have to eat each spice for the challenge. So guys, let's do this. So guys, the first challenge you are gonna go with rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. So guys, we got 2 lives. 2. Let's go. Let's just do it. For content. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. Rock. Let's come. She has 1 life, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
So you want to tell me that if you win, I'm gonna taste one of it?
No, you're going to like we are going line by line. See, let's go.
This is gross.
Rock, paper, scissors. Guys, no, not losing my challenge. No, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. No, Thebluewolf, R.S.A. Guys, shout out to me. So now let's get spicy. Let's go.
Whoa!
Wait, no. Guys, look. Take a look, guys. Come. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Guys, this is not enough, guys.
This is enough.
No, guys.
You're going to kill me.
Comment down below if you think that this was nice. Do it. Come. How is it?
It's nice.
She was crying for that. So guys, now we got 8 spices. So guys, now we're going to be telling our truth, guys. We're going to be telling the truth. If my sister can say the truth, it means you have to take this on me. So guys, now I'm going first. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay, I'm going to ask you, have you ever dated someone behind my back? Guys, if my sister, I'm going to kill that guy. If you're watching this video, I'm going to punch you guys. I'm going to give you a feast. Let's go, tell me. Okay, she can't say in 5.
Okay, fine, okay.
1,
No.
0, no.
No.
It's over, guys. No. So now hit me with the question because, guys, me, I'm honest. For real, guys. Yeah, say a word. Say some questions, man. Let's go.
Okay. Have you ever kissed a girl before? Under my back.
No. I've kissed Bruno. Do you remember? That time at school.
Oh yeah, I remember.
So it means you have to take it. Yes. Don't say it to the camera, though.
Guys, this is gross, but I can.
I know. I want to point. You guys, check out this hole. This is insane, guys. We got the theme. Let's go. And chewy. Let's go. Okay, that's enough. Show it to the camera. But guys, this is not enough. No, my sister is cheating, guys. My sister is cheating. Oh.
Don't you remember when our parents told us that we can die from this eating thing?
I don't remember.
You're not the
which
best,
year?
bro.
Which year, guys? Let's go. So now, guys, we must do a dare. So I dare you to, guys. Yeah. Now another round is gonna be daring each other. So now I dare you to, let me come up with a dare. Okay, guys, I don't have a dare, so just come up with a dare. Come up with a dare.
I dare to kiss my leg.
No, I'd rather do the challenge.
You got me.
I'd rather do the challenge. Check out, guys. You see, guys, me, I'm going big. Check, guys, I'm going big. I'm going big, baby. I'm going big, you know. I'm going big. I'm going big. I'm going back. Okay, guys, let's get inside the video. So this one, guys, you know, guys, this time my sisters have to put his head high. So, guys, I'm gonna be sitting. So the first one that he touches, it means he's going to eat. Let's go. Raise your head. So yeah, you have to touch one. Guys, I know she's going to. Yeah, guys. Okay, choose. Oh, guys, she chose the nutmeg. The last spice of the video. Let's go. Do it. Smash it.
Oh!
No. Guys, my sister's cheating, guys.
No,
But
I'm
that's
not.
yes, you are. Okay, ding it.
Rest in peace.
Okay. Come to the funeral, guys, please. Come. Do it. Guys, I'm sure my cameraman, he's happy that he's not involved in this video. You're coming next, bro. You're coming. Yes, you are. Yeah.
I can't wait for you.
Yo, what's up, guys? Now it's my cameraman Austin. Let's go. So you're gonna look up there. So now I'm gonna be shuffling this because I don't trust him. Hey, guys, it's cheating. Hey, it's cheating. It's a cheater, guys. Okay. Let's go. Now touch the one that you want. Yeah, now he chose. There's nothing in here, guys. You're going to do this? There's nothing. Okay, just choose that. Just choose another one. Look at the top again. And don't cheat, bruh. Go.
Change. Swap.
Wait. Let me shuffle. Quick, let's go. Ah! He chose the mixed herbs. Herbs, guys. Oh, bruh. You're going to the hospital after this, guys.
Such a naughty boy.
You know. But guys, this is not fair. Me, I mean the challenge, my sister just two spices and guys, this is not fair. But do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How is it?
Great.
Guys, why this guys? People saying that it's great. It's not great, guys. This is not great. No, for me it's not. So
Because
now,
we have different taste, bro.
okay, fine. So now, bruh, we're gonna be playing rock, paper, scissors. You see?
Come on.
This is how we do things, man. You see? Let's go. I'm taller than you, man. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh! Guys, this is the last one that I wanted, guys. No. You know, guys. Okay, guys, let's see this for the special occasion. This is the last one. So, guys, come close. I want you to see this, guys.
But bro, you are cheating. You can't do that.
No, like I just said that you are going by line.
But There. Yeah, thank
okay,
you.
Okay, okay, it's okay.
And stop cheating.
Okay, check out this one, guys. Check out this one. I don't know that it's kind of leaves or what. Look at this, bro. Don't think that this it's supposed to eat it.
How does it taste like?
Guys, to be honest, it has a taste of a spice. Get out of here. Okay, now I'm gonna be asking you, which lie that you ever told your parents?
What?
Tell me a lie that you ever told your parents. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now, guys, I'm going to say a lie that I say to my parents. Okay, the lie it is. I once told my father that like guys, she sent me an airtime, and guys, I say that guys, okay, I'm going to say the truth. As I said that, I'm honest at the beginning of the video. Guys, I once said my father that I was using it for the video, but guys, the airtime that I was using and the data, I was using it for YouTube. Guys, I just quit my school. Like guys, I was lying to my father about schoolwork, so I told him to send me money to do education, but guys, I was using it for YouTube. So the truth just spilled, and now you got to eat the whole block. Close. Guys, I'm sorry for the spelling. I never went to school in about 3 weeks.
4 weeks.
No, 3 weeks, bruh. Guys, by the way, it's the school calendar. You see, I go to school for 1 month, and I go to school for the whole month and rest home for 3 weeks.
You are lying.
Whole month, bruh. Okay. Let's just
You are
go to
going
the
1
video.
week a month, dude.
Shut up. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm speaking on the floor. Tell me how it is. Guys, check out this. The whole clothes. Check this out. This is insane. Yeah, do it. Hey, this guy's trying to cheat. Hey, this guy. Rest in peace, bro. I know that you've been my camera, man. I know that if you die, man, I'm always love you, bro. So, guys, this one, the cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon.
Why are you even calling it a cinnamon instead of a cinnamon?
Stop correcting me. I'm older than you guys. Shut up. So this one you're gonna having a taste. Both of us. Come. And the big one. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
So guys, this is the end of the video, guys. I got Austin here and my sister. Thank you for being in this vlog. Do you have something to say?
Yep. Okay, dude, I have a seat challenge for you.
Okay.
How about eating the mall?
It's in the mall. Okay. I'm doing this for the content. Okay, that's a cool one, guys. That's a cool one. So guys, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can hold.
I don't even hear what you're saying.
Guys, thank you for watching. the YouTube video, guys. Thank you for all your support. It's been the Thebluewolf R.S.A. and Austin and my sister. And we are, but guys, now they're busy. So thank you for watching the video. Peace. Tuna.